So let's check out the exhaust note of Mahindra Mojo UT300. And one more thing, the FI Mojo, as you know it, with the twin barrel and the inverted forks, it is still in production. You can still buy that bike. They haven't stopped it at all. The bike is still in sale. So if you hear something like the Mojo has been stripped down and become a budget version, no, it is not. It is a different version. Now you have two options to choose from. One is called the UT300, as you see, and this is called the XT300 with the updated frame. So this is the BS4 variant with the updated chassis with the extra length and extra seat length, and few minor bits here and there to improve the overall user experience. So both the versions are available. If you are looking for Mojo, give it a test ride on both these versions and finalize and which one feels much better to you and go for it. Both these bikes are definitely worth the money.